it's time for another fishing mission. I have not done a big, like, dedicated trip in a while. It's all been tournament fishing. So today I've got the yak on top of my car, and we're gonna try to go catch some nice fish at a specific place I have in mind. That is not gonna work. So come along with me. Maybe not fall off the tripod. We'll see if the kayak makes it to the destination, and if so, we'll have a good time. Stay tuned. This is probably not safe. I'm holding the camera. There's the kayak right there. There's a rope attached also. You know, we're gonna see. I have no idea how it's gonna do. The good thing is, this route that I'm taking to this place is mostly back roads. So that means 2 lanes, one way going each, which means if it falls off, it's basically going to get hit. Someone is going to hit the kayak if it falls off, so perfect. We're here. Okay, I got it on the tripod. It's gonna be a little bit windy, but I got a nice mic on this camera, so let's put the camera right here. Alright. Yep. Water ball. That thing is a fatty. Nice. It's a good first fish of the day. Nice 2.5, 3 pounder. Heck yeah. Let's go. Thought I'd go ahead and weigh our first fish. 214. 214 and probably only, what, 17 inches? These fish are super healthy in here. There you go. Nice, solid 214. Alright. So, since we caught a fish, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my kayak, get it down in the water for us, so that we have a better chance of catching some good fish. Wow, this is working way too well right now. Wow, I haven't been on this kayak in a very long time, so this is probably going to be pretty interesting, I'll tell you that. I'm going to start off with a tiny swim bait. See if we can find some fish, because I know they'll eat this. I can also cast it a mile, so it's nice to... Oh, I had one too. The good thing... Oh, wait, that might be a big one. Oh, wait, no. I think I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm stuck. The bigger swim bait. This is a an underspin with a 3.75 inch Strike King Rage Swimmer. I've been throwing this in some of my local ponds a lot lately. It seems like this time of the year, if you can get it in front of their face, they can't really resist it. That one did not fight at all. Because he's not that big, I guess. Cold fish. Oh my gosh, big one. No. There's one. It's a pretty good one. Jeez, I thought it was snagged, honestly. It's a good one. Let's see. 3.6. There's another one. Oh, might be a big one. Oh, he came off. That was a big one. Dang it. Okay. Was not recording for that. Not a huge one though, so it's okay. Probably second biggest of the day. 2.7. Good one. So I don't know what our best 5 is right now, but it's decent. We got like a 3-pounder and then 2 2.5, so I never really fished these rock bluff walls earlier, so I kind of saved those for right now. Oh my gosh. Why was just broken that rod? I mean, they all fight really hard when you first hook into them, so I have no idea. That could have been, I mean, it was bigger than 2. It could have been a 2, could have been a 4. There's another one. That one's not that big. Oh. Might be the biggest one of the day. Come here. Oh my God. Kayaks. Landing fish in kayaks is not easy. There's another one. Well, that one's not bad. Well, that bait's been putting in the work. That's our 4th. 2.11. I knew that this bank was gonna put in some fish just because it's not in the wind and I can actually slow down and throw the swim bait over here. We might go to the other pond and try to catch a big bait. They're out there. Alright, well, we're at this other lake now, and we're gonna see if I can get a good one to add to my bag so that we can have a limit. See what our 5 fish would go for. There's a good one already. First cast. Well, maybe not a good one, but yeah, not a good one. I need a better one than him. Is that a good one? I'm about to see. Okay, well, that might be the one we end on. Okay. Yes, I'm in my car with a fish. I just weighed him. He's 1 pound 3 ounces, so I'll go ahead and put up on the screen what our bag is, but little guy. I'm gonna keep on fishing, but I think I'm gonna end it here right on this release. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you did that. We're at, what, 813 right now? So that means we're close to 1,000, which means we're close to monetization. So I'd love it if you watch the whole video so that we can get those watch hours, so that we can get monetized and get this thing rolling. Here's the release. Very graceful. You ready? Bye, guy. Thanks for watching. Go subscribe. Go like the video if you liked it. Don't like it if you didn't like it. There's no more dislike button, so you can't dislike it. Go do some big time fishing. I'm small time fishing.